All right, so hey everybody, just hanging out down here in Phoenix. Came down to the old La Mesa RV show. Thought we'd take a look at some of these brand new products. We got some Tiffins and some Winnebagos. We'll just go through a few of these coaches kind of quick and show you some new modern stuff. Touch on some things that people might want for some upgrades. So we'll take in a couple coaches and here we go. Come down here and we'll get you some good footage. First, we'll give you the outside of this new Tiffin Phaeton. It's got the patio awnings up on the roof, some kind of funky roof extensions going on there. The lighting's not very good. We'll kind of zoom in here for you. Some newer modern headlights and whatnot. But let's go inside and we'll show you some stuff inside these coaches too. All right, so we'll go over to this Rev product. It's gonna be a Fleetwood Discovery. What's cool about these that I've seen on my buddy Andrew Steele's channel, which I'm here hanging out with today, is they've kind of come up with basically a monocoque chassis. So I don't know how well you can see it up there, but now they've come up with a chassis that's gonna be very similar to Country Coach, where they order just the front and the rear, and then they put it all together. So it's gonna be the Freedom Bridge Freightliner chassis. So there's more opportunity for this to be built a little more rigid. Come in, got some nice new seats. Looks like Freightliners come out with their own custom chassis steering wheel. Then a nice big screen here, and then a backup monitor over here, and then it looks like you've even got a digital dash in the very center. So this is going to be on that Freightliner chassis, and there's some of your specs, then your federal specs for your weights, and then either this is coming with a 480 up to a 450, and then some of the highlights. So this is going to be built by Fleetwood, part of the Rev group. Here's that chassis that we're talking about. I'll throw in an image of a Country Coach chassis that looked damn near the same as these in there. But nice, cool. Of course, everybody's all hopping on the grays, so this is going to be got the grays and an off brown color for the woods. All your modern stuff here. You've got probably a reclining chair here. Yep, pops out. Now, of course, all these new modern furnishings that you find at the shows can all be brought into any new Country Coach, because this, like here, is not even a flush room, so it doesn't even drop out flush, so that could go into a lot of coaches that don't have a flush room. Looks like they've got some bed up here above the seats. The Haida lift, brought to you by Rev. And then all the new modern refrigerators and whatnot. So here we are in the galley. You've got your Fisher Piquel dishwasher, and then you've got probably a drawer above it, some cabinets. Looks like we get this little push button. Oh, that's how you release that. That's pretty trick, kind of like a car actuator. Little electric trigger button to be able to release that. Got probably your induction cooktop here, and then you've got this nice galley right here at the edge, and a stainless sink, fairly deep, and then some storage above, some carpeted counters, carpeted cabinets, and then more storage over here. Looks like you got the remotes for the Girard awnings, and then some overhead storage up here, regular outlet. Looks like you got the light switch, and then the camera select for when you get the camera view brought up on the TV, which is going to go over here, which is going to be a lift. And then you got a sound bar across the top, and then you got the gas simulated electric fireplace there, house monitor here midship. And now we're back to the bedroom. Got this nice pocket door, just simply push down, slides across. You might have all this new nice stuff, but the woodwork is not like buying a Country Coach. So you get some USB ports here at the end of the bed. Looks like a generator on and off switch. there. Before you get to the bedroom, you've got this toilet room, little sink, fantastic fan, exhaust fan there, some spider controls for the lights, and then you've got this kind of rubber floor here on the bottom of the slide room, and then you got the bathroom back here. Just gonna have your Dometic toilet with the flipper valve, and then the dual sinks. Pretty spacious shower, nice and low, so you've got some good height there. So that's the Discovery. Let's take in some other coaches. All right, so we went in the Fleetwood. I've looked around at everything else, and this is all I've got. I can't find a Country Coach, so I don't know why I'm here. No, I know why I'm here, and that's because I came to film some other coaches. But the only thing I got made out of Junction City is this fine Tour. Actually, no, there's a Grand Tour hiding around here that was made in Junction City. Somewhere around here. Oh, there's the Grand Tour. But no, nothing good here. So, we've come to Phoenix to actually do a couple other things. So let's just go ahead and take you on over there, show you some cool Country Coaches, some work we're doing. But thanks everybody so far for hanging in through there and seeing what we're doing on this fine trip. So all right, hey everybody, we've left the RV show, and now we've actually come to what I've come down to Glendale for, or Phoenix, or Gilbert, or Fountain Hills, or Scottsdale. But here it is. It's a 2006 Country Coach Affinity that would have been built when I worked there. And I'm going to be changing out these headlights. Going to be adding some LED lights up in the awnings, fixing some tank sensors, and lubricating up some slide rooms. So thanks everybody for watching the part there where we did the RV show and went through that Discovery. Could have made it a little longer, but just wasn't feeling the vibes at the RV show. So now I've got that all wrapped up. Now I'm over here. I'm gonna spend a couple hours, work on this fine Country Coach Affinity, do those headlights, maybe give you a video about doing the headlights, and just take you around the outside and show you a couple things on the inside. Since this is an owner's coach, I won't go through it super deep, but I do want to show you a few things on it just because I love this coach so much. All right everybody, I just wanted to do a quick little tour since this is owned by somebody, but I wanted to show you these cool flaming stained glass curio cabinet doors, which I just love. And then this backsplash tile here, which is just, let's just say, baller. In my world, that is gonna be baller. So cool backsplash tile there. Then we've got it again here at the vanity sink, coming in hot all the way around. And then this cool flaming etched shower door with the spaghetti flames just coming in hot. So it's got the river run pattern in the floors, and then it's got this beautiful almost black countertops with that pearl in there coming in hot. So let's give you a little bit more of the outside. Absolutely beautiful coach. We've got that fade going from that dark color up into that white tip, and then those black highlights coming in here, some more gray, another little gray flame coming up there into the middle of it. So he's gonna get this thing all ceramic coated and all dialed in. So we'll probably give you another video of it when we actually do a full walk around. We'll show him his bay entertainment, all that stuff. Here we are at the back of the coach. He elected for the ladder just because he's out RVing and doesn't want to have to worry about not being able to get onto the roof. Got that beautiful Country Coach mud flap. So absolutely beautiful coach. I'd give you a longer video, but I actually got to catch a flight and get out of here. But thanks everybody for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you're looking for me to go south or something like that, hit me up at brianmoto773@gmail, and that's going to be your first step to contacting me. But hey everybody, thanks again. Hope you're all having a great day. Till next time, bye bye.